Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Destinations A to Z. I'm Glenn Bailey. Check out where we're at right here. We're at the Florida RV Supershow in Tampa, Florida. Here you can see the outside. Got your large TV here. Check out the paint finish right here. As you can see in this, you can see the metallic colors and the lines with the lights. Stunning paint finish. Here's your outdoor kitchen entertainment. This is a LOKI coach. Here you can actually see the colors back in here that are fading from one to the other. It really stands out. Here you can see what's pairing the LOKI coach. Super nice. Big engine. Looks like a Volvo. It's an absolute stunning coach. Here's your electronics. Check out your pass-through. You could actually have a bed down here and sleep in it. That could be your doghouse if your wife put you in it. This is a Prevost LOKI coach. Starting here at the entryway. You do have multiple steps up. And then your Prevost is all on one level once you get in it. Here's your galley area. You have a TV right here for your passenger. Got a nice booth hung suspensionally. Suspended up. Here's your couch. Large windows to see out. This is your refrigerator here. Super nice. Here's your half bath. Then this right here is going to be your stackable ASCO washer dryer. Here's going to be your king bed. And then check out this televator here. Actually sinks back down, disappears where it can't even tell if there's even a TV there. Then you can look out your window and see the outside. Super nice large shower here in the master. Again, you got your rectangle drain down here, signifying that it's a super luxurious coach. If you notice right here, you got LOKI coach directly on it as well. And then you got your toilet right here. Super luxurious coach on a Prevost chassis. You notice over here, you do have your touch panel right here. You have a nice window right behind your bed for your headboard. And then you got super large windshield out front. Nice recliner here. Touchscreen. And then look at your cockpit. This is totally separate. You got all these screens right here showing you all the way around the coach, giving you all the information you need to know. Super nice. And then you've got the touch panel here for the passenger as well. I just took you through on a tour of this RV. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and be sure to check out other videos coming out over several weeks, and be sure to check out also RV news and recalls coming out the first Saturday of every single month. Thanks for watching as always, and remember, safe travels.